Meet your new travel partner, the Aerolite large front-loading suitcase. Packing and unpacking shouldn't be hassle. This case opens from the front like a wardrobe, not taking up loads of space like a butterfly opening suitcase. Perfect for hotel rooms or when space is tight. It also features an ultra-handy expander zip, adding extra depth to provide even more packing room and giving you a massive 124 litres of packing space. There's so much room for all of your clothes and shoes, because it doesn't open down the middle. It's perfect for bulkier items too that you couldn't fit in a regular suitcase. Plus, it features an Aerolite Renew lining, made from recycled plastic, complete with antimicrobial treatment to keep the suitcase odour-free. With 4 Aerolite twin glide spinner wheels, it glides in any direction. No need to put your back out towing it behind you. Featuring Aerolite FLX shell technology with a blend of ABS and polycarbonate, the premium hard shell looks super stylish and keeps the contents safe. There's a built-in TSA lock to keep it all secure and allows hassle-free travel when clearing airport security. Strong, light and ready to go whenever you are. Your perfect partner for your next holiday.